Hey friends, welcome back to Yum's Kitchen. Today we're making a New England style clam chowder. Thick, cozy, and full of comfort. This one is simple, familiar, and perfect for a cold day. Here's everything we'll be using today. Simple ingredients for a cozy bowl of chowder. We'll start by cooking the onion and celery until soft and fragrant. Next, we'll add the potatoes and broth and let everything cook until tender. Once the potatoes are tender, we'll add the creamy base and let it warm through slowly. This is where the chowder really starts to come together. Now we'll stir in the clams and let everything warm through gently. This is the final step before serving. This is the kind of meal that feels comforting and familiar. Thick, creamy, and perfect for slowing down. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.